Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you shopping with me. I am looking for a planter and there were some really cute ones. I love this teal collection here. I did end up grabbing this one because I couldn't decide if I was going to use this one. And then there are these really pretty white ones as well. So this was really pretty and I decided to take that one with me to decide which one I was going to take. They had some other really pretty ones here, lots of cute tiny ones, which I was debating on it. But yeah, they were pretty. The yellow was quite beautiful and cheery, but I left that behind. But I couldn't leave without any seeds, so I got some snapdragons and some lupine, I think that's what they're called, some dahlia seeds to try these out, and then this gorgeous zinnia green envy seed. Then I decided I was going to take a look around, and there was a lot of Valentine Day plants. These were so pretty. This cute one here, it wasn't a lips planter, and yeah, so I decided to put that one back. I didn't like the planter. I did have one of these plants before, and the pink one was the one that I really liked, but I thought they were a little overcharging, a little much for it. This one was $18, so back it went. And then I decided to go outside and to look at some of the pots there, but yeah, lots of snow in the way. And then I ran into these beautiful bird baths, and I was thinking about it, and this is the one that I really liked. And maybe one day I will buy a bird bath, but the colorful ones were pretty also. I think I liked the blue one the most. And then these were kind of nice, but you know, they were all encased in snow and ice, and yeah, they were not quite budging, and this planter was nice. I have this creeping fig, and I purchased 2 of them at Walmart. Love the variegated foliage on this. They are just so adorable. And I also purchased this wire jute twine. This project is a project that Laura from Garden Answer recently did. I'll link that video down below in the description. So I'm making this for my partner for Valentine's Day to give to him. I bought this indoor potting mix at Lowe's. It was frozen solid, and it took a while to get it to break up and be able to add the soil. And I also decided to pre-moisten it a bit just to make sure that there was enough moisture in the soil before adding the plants. And then I just added the 2 little plants on either side. Now, isn't that just so adorable? So I also had some leftover lava rocks that I used for my succulent, and I thought that would be good to add to this planter. And so here's the finished product, and I hope you'll go check out her video because this was so much fun to make, and I'm so excited to give this to him. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and watching this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.